Hello, everyone. It's great to be here. It's good to see the familiar faces again and to meet the new ones. For those that don't know me, I'm Mansoor Karam, VP Products and former CEO and founder of Apstra. It's been a win-win since our acquisition by Juniper. Customer and partner interest are high, and so is adoption. Networking teams see the difference that Juniper Apstra can bring, especially in their day-to everyday operations, allowing them to deliver with both agility and reliability without trade-off. Before we get to the demos, let me tell you why I believe now is the time for intent-based networking and Apstra. One, networks are foundational to every business today and are only getting larger and more complex. Network automation has become a must-have. We can no longer manage networks device by device through repetitive, finger-tiring, carpal tunnel-inducing CLI command entry. Two, network teams have too much to do, where hiring experts has become difficult, resulting in late hour and weekend work. We all know that strategic planning working with the business yields more organizational value, as well as career growth for you. Yet instead, networking teams spend their time memorizing specific vendor syntax and tracking down glitches triggered by this or that of the too many network OS software versions. And three, Apstra is ready. We have built the software from the ground up for the past 7 years in a modern distributed architecture, developing the code alongside my co-founders, David Sheraton, world-renowned distributed system expert, now chief data center scientist at Juniper, and my other co-founder, Sasha Ratkovich, renowned network automation expert and now distinguished engineer at Juniper. In short, we set out to reinvent network management and operations, and that's what we did. And now we are working on our fourth major version of the software. Today, we will share previews and demos from this mighty new release. You'll see how we are extending the solution based on our guiding principles. One, operate the network as one system rather than device per device. Abstract the network around a single source of truth and apply data science and use analytics to manage the network. Use a unified intent-based approach. The architects and operators describe the what, and the software implements the how. Not only on day 0, but also on days 1 and 2. And not only to configure the network, but also to verify intent through closed-loop validation and remediation. 3, use an open approach, designed from the beginning for multi-vendor, leveraging standard protocols to support the best-of-breed components at every layer of the stack. According to our customers, our solution is highly differentiated as compared to Cisco ACI and Arista Cloud Vision in terms of the capabilities it has to offer. It's the only turnkey multi-vendor fabric management software suite. It's the most scalable, scaling to the largest data centers. It's the easiest to deploy. Some customers were able to go from 0 to a fully operational and automated network in 30 minutes. And it delivers superior intent-based networking with capabilities such as intent-based Voyager, intent-based analytics, root cause identification, maintenance mode, and much more. Being part of Juniper is benefiting customers and partners in many ways. Apstra joined Juniper as an intact business. Apstra's engineering, support, and sales teams remain in place so that they can continue to deliver the great products and services customers have grown to depend on. We have more resources than ever at our disposal to support our customers and partners. Moreover, a union with Juniper gives us the tools needed to offer a complete data center portfolio with best-in-class infrastructure, automation, and open programmability. We've been training sales and support personnel globally at a rapid pace, and they're ready to help you. While it's early, we're enthused by the customer feedback from the combination, with strong momentum and a robust set of new customers engaging in how we can help them. We closed our first customer, a US regional bank, within hours of closing the acquisition. We have Fortune 100 and Global 2000 customers using Apstra. Mid-sized organizations also see the time-saving benefits of the Apstra solution. Our customers have reaped the benefits of our approach, achieving substantial improvements in operational costs, agility, and reliability. Let me end with 4 illustrative customer stories from when we joined forces with Juniper. The first is one of the largest service providers in Japan, a long-time Apstra customer. Since the acquisition, they have renewed their relationship with Juniper. The value of Apstra is in how they automate every day across 3 different data centers and 3 different switch vendors. For them, it's all about the value of the time saved. How what used to take weeks or days to stand up a network or make a change can now be completed in hours or even minutes. It's important because it is one example of an Apstra success story that is continuing with Juniper. It illustrates Juniper's commitment to multi-vendor support and reflects what we're seeing with other customers who are continuing and expanding their Apstra deployments. 2, a government agency with a massive deployment. Apstra contributed to sealing the deal because of its ease of use and the fact that the solutions scale to their large and growing environment. Security is also critical for them, and they viewed Apstra as enhancing their security posture owing to the self-documenting, fully auditable nature of every action taken by operators and every change implemented in the infrastructure. Third, a large financial company who has recently shared how it has become nearly impossible to find the root of problems in their network that consists of thousands of devices and other components. Buying more tools has only added to the problem, with more to look at, but no greater clarity on where to look. The customer found that Apstra solves this needle in the haystack problem by identifying the root cause through its single source of truth that maps in a highly scalable knowledge graph representing all of the components in the networks, devices, interfaces, protocols, and surfaces, as well as their interrelationships. I'm highlighting this customer because solving this one daunting challenge has been a key reason for many new customers who are adopting Apstra. Last but not least, let me go back to the regional bank in the US that closed within hours of when the acquisition itself closed. This is a combo of Apstra and QFX, sold alongside a Juniper partner. With no prior experience of the SE or the customer, they deployed one morning and were running production traffic within hours. They're now planning next steps in purchasing more. I mention them because they are an example of many mid-sized enterprises recognizing the need to automate their network automation operations, deploying Apstra and reaping the benefits. I believe that we can help you too. We look forward to talking to you about how Juniper Apstra might be able to help to simplify the way you operate your networks while delivering on the speed and reliability that are required for your teams to meet your organization's business goals. Thank you.